This is my first time cooking deer meat, and it will be my wife's first time eating deer meat. I honestly didn't know if it was going to be amazing or a complete disaster. Stay tuned.
And it cooks really fast. And that's what all the videos I watched, most people had it. I showed you pictures, they had pink inside. So this might be tough for you, but I don't know. This is the way you wanted to try it. So try it out. And remember, it's not pork, it's not beef. It's going to taste different. Deer meat has a wild, gamey taste to it. Here, you want me to try it first, see if I die? It's tender enough. Yeah, it's good, Nutch. It's good. It's actually better, even the way you did it, it's even better than the way my mom did it. Hers was always like tough like shoe leather. And that's because when she was alive, there was no YouTube. And nobody showed her how to do it. So she just cooked it like regular meat. It's actually good, and it's not even that gamey. I'm used to it tasting a lot more gamey. What do you think? Not bad? And this is the way I did it. Oh, look at that. Chopped it up into bite-sized pieces. I probably put it in a frying pan with oil a little bit too long because it cooked really, really super fast. And then I made the gravy and added onions as per a recipe I watched on YouTube. So this just came out of the oven after being in there for 1 hour. Very simple recipe. There was several different recipes I wanted to try, but this one was just pretty close to the simplest one, so this is why I did it. So I'm gonna try it, Amanda. This is my daughter Amanda's deer that she got. Look at that. That's still pretty steaming hot. So I'm gonna give it a minute. A small piece. Yeah, just give that a minute here. That's a winner right there. That recipe. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I put in a little bit of this. Garlic and crushed herbs, just a little bit. And the gravy and the onions. That's a winner right there. Based on the other recipe I seen that I really wanted to do, this was done in the oven after I fried the pieces in oil and a little bit of butter. The other recipe I watched where the woman did everything on a stove top, cast iron pot, and she made her own gravy based on just adding water and let it boil down, added more water, boiled it down, and then she put in other things, she put in about 4 or 5 different other ingredients. I wanted to try that, but we're not into too much spices these days because we're stomach issue, but that's why we're lacking. And I didn't even know much wanted the gravy, but she can try this. It's not bad at all, not spicy at all, nothing. Very good. Yeah. Good job, Amanda. You kill it, I'll eat it, no problem. Yeah, the other thing I wanted to say about that other woman's recipe was in his cast iron pot. It was once it was like a stew she did, and then she put it on top of rice, and that's what I'm going to be doing with this. And with this, I'm going to be putting it on top of rice. Try it, Nutch. You're gonna. It's actually quite good. It's still hot, but try it out. That's a big one. You might want to try a small one. Just look around. You'll find them. There's bigger ones, smaller ones. Kind of pretty close, but yeah, they're really small. Because I don't know if you're gonna like the gravy. It's good. It's not spicy. Yeah, it's no hotter than yours. You like the gravy? Good.
Continue supporting the channel by watching this video and click down here to subscribe if you haven't already.